NASA selects SpaceX to safely deorbit the International Space Station. SpaceX is gearing up for one of its most high-stakes missions, safely deorbiting the International Space Station, ISS. The deorbit vehicle, rooted in SpaceX's Dragon capsule design, will undergo modifications for this unique task. As confirmed by Bill Spetch, NASA's Operations Integration Manager for the ISS program, the ISS, an iconic symbol of international collaboration, has exceeded its intended lifespan of 15 years and will be safely deorbited around 2031. NASA has allocated up to $843 million to SpaceX for developing the deorbit vehicle, excluding launch costs. While specific details of SpaceX's deorbit vehicle remain under wraps, it's clear that neither the Dragon nor Starship spacecraft are suitable in their current forms, indicating substantial adaptations or a new design might be necessary. The ISS, a marvel of engineering, required 42 launches to assemble its modules starting in 1998. It spans the size of a football field and weighs over 450 tons. Safely deorbiting this massive structure is arguably more challenging than its assembly. NASA plans to operate the ISS until 2030, with international partners from Canada, Europe, and Japan in agreement. Russia's Roscosmos, which operates key modules, is committed to the ISS until at least 2028. The decision to destroy the ISS stems from safety concerns due to its aging structure. Boosting it to a higher orbit or bringing parts back to Earth is impractical and costly. Leaving it in space indefinitely would risk disintegration and space debris collisions, potentially hindering future space activities. An uncontrolled re-entry could pose significant hazards, as demonstrated by a recent incident where space debris crashed into a Florida home. NASA's plan involves a controlled deorbit using a commercial vehicle. The ISS will first lower its orbit from 260 miles to about 205 miles. A year before the final deorbit, SpaceX's vehicle will launch and dock with the ISS while astronauts are still on board. As the ISS's altitude decreases, the last crew will depart, leaving the station human-free for the first time in 30 years. The deorbit vehicle will then conduct burns to lower the ISS's orbit from about 155 miles to 90 miles, where atmospheric friction will hasten its descent. The final push will see the deorbit vehicle firing its engines to guide the ISS through the denser layers of the atmosphere, ensuring debris falls into the sparsely populated southern Pacific Ocean. Throughout this mission, SpaceX's system must be capable of executing a controlled deorbit, even if two component failures occur. This mission continues NASA's reliance on SpaceX for critical tasks, including ferrying astronauts to the ISS and launching key missions. SpaceX's development of the deorbit vehicle will either involve significant modifications to an existing spacecraft or an entirely new design with a target launch date in early 2030. However, the aging ISS may necessitate an earlier deployment. The world will watch as the ISS, a bright celestial sight, makes its final fiery descent, marking the end of an era and celebrating its legacy as a symbol of human engineering and international cooperation. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next video.